I'm Aditi Kavya. I'm a second year student at FMS Delhi. I'm from Ahmedabad. I have done my chemical engineering from Nirma University, Ahmedabad, and I'm a fresher. I graduated in 2018 and that's when I joined FMS. FMS is the marketing campus of India, the red building of dreams. This is what we all heard. Even before coming to college, I knew this. I had talked to a lot of people and they suggested that the marketing faculty at FMS is amazing. The kind of alumni network that FMS has when it comes to the marketing domain is really impressive. And because I'm someone who aspired to be in this domain, I knew that this is where I want to be and this is what I want my career to start from. One special thing in this is something that is coming from experience, is that everyone knows that we have a smaller campus, but we are really happy that we have a smaller campus because the entire fraternity at FMS, all students, faculty, administration, everyone is like a tight-knit family. Okay, we all roam the same corridors, all of our classes are very close together, so every hour or two you will bump into someone, maybe from your batch, maybe from the junior batch, professors, other people, even people who are in the canteen. You know, all of us are so close-knit because of the proximity that across over the course of the 2 years we've really learned to appreciate our infrastructure, and I think that is something that really differentiates us. I actually know every single person in my batch and in my junior batch, and I don't think other colleges have that, so I'm really grateful for that. So FMS is a campus like no other. You'll come to know this when you come to the campus, that all our activities are student run and you will be supported from the moment you walk into the campus till the moment you walk out, and even beyond that. You know, we are all very supportive. We really believe in the power of community and the power of just helping each and every batchmate, junior, senior, everyone. So the camaraderie that you will see here, I don't think you will see at any other place. That is something that we're very proud of and is special to FMS. Also, I believe our culture is very different from other colleges. Right from our semester system, right from our absolute grading and not relative grading, everything has made our culture not very competitive but learning oriented. We generally focus on learning and not only competition and beating the other person. Yes, it does get competitive around placements and maybe that's how it's supposed to be, but apart from that, throughout the year everyone helps each other and everyone takes care of the entire batch and the entire system, you know, not just your own self. And apart from that, we have a saying at FMS that don't worry, the process will take care of itself. So when you come into the campus, after that you don't have to think, you don't have to worry, you just have to absorb everything that is happening around you and have faith that the process will take care of you and everything around you. So I think the one thing that I'll take away from FMS is our sessions in Hall B. So Hall B is what our auditorium is called, our hall, and that's where we've spent most amount of time as a batch. For any guest lecture, for any induction process, that's where we're at for hours and hours on at length. So I think that is something that I definitely remember, because nothing brings people closer than when they have to face some adversity together. You know, like as students, we all understand that when we have to face something bad together, that's when we come close and that's when memes are made. That's the moments that you really remember, when you have to face some sort of torture as a batch. And those moments actually brought us closer as a batch. We spent so much time in that hall crammed up together that we got to know each other better. We discussed so many things. We discussed the pressures that we were facing, the preparation that we were doing, a lot of secrets also. People got closer. There were relationships and all that happened because of the time that we spent together. You know, relationships as friends, as peers, everything. So I think that is the moment that I'll really take back, is the hours that we spent in that iconic hall B.